Tatlo nating kapuso ang ginawaran ng parangal ng Reader's Digest. Isa po sa kanila, si GMA Network Vice President for News Programs at State of the Nation anchor Jessica Soho, na kinalala bilang Reader's Digest Most Trusted News Presenter sa ikatlong sunod na pagkakataon. Ang Star Bites hatid ni Kata Tibayan.
15 taon nang nagbibigay ng parangal ang Reader's Digest, kung saan mismo ang consumer at readers ang bumoboto sa kanilang pinagkakatiwalaang mga personalidad. Ngayong taon, tatlo sa ating mga kapuso ang kinilala bilang Most Trusted Personality sa katatapos na Reader's Digest Trusted Brands Award Ceremony 2013.
And I think the success of Reader's Digest is really to carry stories that make people feel good about their lives, that celebrate inspirational people, dramatic events, and it really shows people that not only can they improve their lives, but that there is a global community of people who feel the same way.
Sa ikatlong sunod na pagkakataon, ginawaran si GMA Network Vice President for News Programs at State of the Nation anchor na si Jessica Soho bilang Reader's Digest Most Trusted News Presenter. Inilarawan ang paghahatid balita ni Soho na news reporting with a heart.
Trust is a very big honor in itself, but I know that it's also a major responsibility, napakalaking responsibilidad na patuloy na pagkatiwalaan ang ating mga manonood. And ulit, hindi ko to kaya kung wala ang buong GMA News and Public Affairs. Kaya para sa atin lahat ito.
Jessica seems to rate so highly of just somebody that really connects with the audience, that the audience feel is somebody that they can believe in, that they can trust what she says, who makes them feel comfortable, and obviously does her job in a very professional way.
Payo naman ni Jessica sa mga kabataan, igugol ang oras sa pagbabasa.
Kung gusto mong umangat at kung gusto mong maiba, kailangan magbasa. Kahit may video dyan, may computer, kailangan talaga magbasa. Kailangan lamnan ang utak.
Sa larangan naman ng entertainment, back-to-back victory ito para kay Bossing Vic Soto na kinilala bilang Reader's Digest Most Trusted TV Host and Presenter for Entertainment and Variety. Hindi lang sa husay sa kanyang pagpapatawa at pag-host ang batayan sa parangal na ito, hanga rin ang mga tao sa pagiging versatile actor, established producer at box office king ni Bossing. Ginawaran bilang Reader's Digest Most Trusted Sports Personality naman ang Pinoy Pride at ang pound for pound king na si Manny Pacquiao. Maliban sa sports, gumawa rin ng tatak si Manny sa showbiz at politika. Bukod sa mga personalities, 45 local brands mula sa 71 awardees din ang kinilala. Kata Tibayan, GMA News.